Hi, Jordan from ENTTEC here. Today we're going to be showing off and unboxing the new OCTO Pixel Controller. Let's dig in. For those that haven't used the previous model, the OCTO is our powerful 8-universe pixel controller. It receives network-based DMX data like ArtNet or scanning ACN, and converts it to a pixel output, also sometimes known as SPI, which controls pixel dots and pixel strip protocols like WS2812, SK6812, and our own SPXL protocol, among many others. The ENTTEC Pixel OCTO has been around for a few years already, and for those that don't already know, it is my personal favorite lighting controller here at ENTTEC. Now, while I reckon the Pixel OCTO is a pretty slick unit already, we've decided to refresh it with a more compact form factor that really maximizes your value for money. Now that we've already cracked one open, let's take a look inside. First thing we see in the box is our sticker and README card. That'll have links to our website where you can find the datasheet and user manual. Our new OCTO Mark II unit is sealed in this bubble wrap pouch, along with the included DIN rail clip and screws and a couple of WAGO 221 splicing connectors. Straight away, you'll notice that the new ENTTEC OCTO is much more compact than its predecessor. This OCTO refresh sees a change to a smaller footprint and a low profile appearance to make this unit super easy to conceal. The design is also easier to assemble, so we've passed on those savings to you, giving you more value for money. We still have the same arrangement, so on the back here, we have an RJ45 input and output, so you can still connect to the network and daisy chain to the next OCTO. Our reset and identify button is on the back now, next to the network ports. Press here to identify connected strips, or you can reset to the factory default by holding the button down while you power up the OCTO. On the front, we still have two 4-universe outputs with the same 4-pin arrangement, allowing us to control pixels with or without a separate clock line. 4 universes on each output means that they can support 2048 channels. That's 680 RGB LED dots, or 22 meters of 60 LED per meter RGB pixel tape. Next to the outputs, we have a DC screw terminal input if you wanted to power your OCTO from a separate power supply. However, just like before, you can back power the OCTO from the same power inputs that are also supplying your pixels. Whenever you're doing this, it's handy to make use of the included WAGO splicing connectors so you can securely split off your DC power line without having to bust out the soldering iron. If we check out the bottom of the new OCTO, we'll see surface mount points here and here. These exist in addition to the old school DIN rail clip, so you can also mount this to a surface. You can do so by driving some screws into your wall, leaving them a little proud, and then you can place the OCTO over them and slide the OCTO into place. If we want to mount our OCTO to a DIN rail, we can easily screw on the included DIN clip with the provided screws, then clip it into place. That's everything you need to know about the new, refreshed ENTTEC OCTO. Let's swap it out with this old unit and run some pixels. The new and improved OCTO is out now. Make sure to check it out at enttec.com or get in contact with your local distributor. Do I have any more WAGOs? got a Waggo Rainer.
Nice.
Probably because I nick about 1 million of them from work. And I nick the good ones too. Look, I know I use them for work. Like we use them.
Yeah,
like
we're literally using them for work right now, so it's not stealing.
It's not stealing.
It's relocation of work remixes.
Yeah. We're working from home, bro.